Hey guys, I've decided to film video number 2. I got some recommendations from the family to do a more natural look today, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make a sad attempt at recreating my homecoming look, which was really natural but looked actually really good, so I guess let's get to it. The palette I'm going to be using the most today is the first Jaclyn Hill palette, which has a lot of neutral colors on her. And of course, our trusty James Charles palette, or I guess any other things I want to do that aren't in the Jaclyn Hill, and for my eyebrow color. First thing, obviously, that we're going to do is we're going to be priming my face and my eyebrows. So, yeah. Next up, we're going to fill in the eyebrows. Okay guys, so the first color I'm going to use is this like sort of light sort of brown color right there. I'm just going to work that into the front half of this sort of brow bone area. Oh my goodness. And the second color I'm going to use is this sort of more medium brown color right there on the second half of that brow bone area. So back at our trusty Anastasia palette brush, I'm going to take the shorter, more firm side. I just was using the fluffy side. And I'm going to take this darker brown color right there, and I'm going to work that into my crease, more towards the back, not trying to mess too much with the front half. So yeah. Now I'm gonna take some of this color right here. It's like that shiny sort of like reddish plumish kind of color. It's the darker color. And I am going to sort of work that into the corner. So taking a new brush in the same shape, I am going to take the lightest off that row, sort of like I just used that color, and now I'm going to use this really light color up here. I'm going to put that in like that front half that we haven't put anything on. I think last, hopefully last, I'm just going to take that medium color and I'm going to work it into the front of the crease because I'm not really liking that transition. It just looks a little too like nothing's happening up there for me. So yeah. Okay. So that should be most of what we're doing for our eyeshadow. Now time to move on to eyeliner. I'm still gonna use black, but like brown would look good with this, but I want to kind of put on fake lashes again, so I'm gonna use black. So again, roller lash, Benefit black eyeliner. We're using the mini one and I'm gonna try with the big one right now, so yeah. Much better. I don't like to do my lashes before I do my powder and all that stuff, so now it's time for foundation. So foundation is done. Back to alien status. She cute. I'm gonna do powder today. I want a bit more of a matte look because it's supposed to be more natural or whatever, your natural glam. So yeah, I'm gonna use Fit Me in Fair Light by Maybelline. I use this powder. It works pretty well. It's good coverage. Definitely helps make you matte. Used the flat side of my beauty blender. You can also just use a powder brush, but that's what I'm going to use to kind of like wipe it off my face when we're kind of done. So I'm going to use my powder brush, just sort of blend that in there. So now that I'm less shiny, I'm gonna contour. Again, weird contoured brush. Too Faced medium deep brown contour, bronzer, whatever. Fluffy side of our eyebrow brush, goodness gracious. So that should be pretty much your nose contour and your face contour. Now I'm gonna do my blush. Remember, Pate from Tarte. Okay. And now it's time for highlight. And that is your base. So yeah, last time. And then Little Black Dress by Kiss. I'm gonna use some new lashes today. And one of the things I do is, again, you kind of have to do that little wee thing with the lashes to curl them just a little bit. And then I take these like little scissors. I think they're like sewing scissors. So, and then I just kind of take off that little excess part. And if you need to, you can always cut off, like, before you put on any glue, you can go like that on your eye, like pretend that you're like putting them on. Just kind of leave them there and be like, oh, like they're too long. Like you can just trim off just where you need to trim off. So yeah. So actually there's one last thing I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take that really light shiny color right here, and I'm gonna like highlight my brow bone and the inner corner of my eye. Like so. So now your eyes are nice and shiny. Now it's time for lashes. Okay, so I'm gonna let those dry, and now we're gonna do our lips. So I'm gonna do lip gloss today, and what I like to do when I wear lip gloss is I like to line my lips. NARS Precision Lip Liner. I am a bad person. I should have looked at the brand. I knew better. Anyway, and I think it's in the shade, like, it starts with an L. It's like line something. Oh, it's on the label. Lorenz. Anyway, it's like this really natural pink color. I'm still illiterate. Welcome. Okay, so now you've filled in your lips with the lip liner. It's a really pretty natural color. I think it goes well with the eyeshadow, so yeah. And what I'm gonna do, instead of my Buxom lip gloss today, I want to use my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. If I could speak English, that'd be so cool. And I think it's just in the shade Fenty Glow. I don't know, it's just the natural color one, and it works really nicely, in my opinion. So yeah. And also, when you hear those reviews about how it smells good, they're not kidding. It smells fantastic. I don't know what Rihanna put in there. I don't know what Riri did, but it smells amazing. Anyway, now it's mascara time, and we get out trusty roller lash Benefit black mascara. There we go. So that is our natural glam look. She's shiny, she kind of natural, a little more natural glam than just natural. This is about as natural as it gets on this channel. I'm so sorry, but like, I don't know how else to do it. So, I mean, I guess something that would help it to look more natural would be no lip gloss, but I don't get to wear lip gloss because I have a boyfriend, and kissing a boy with lip gloss on is not the stuff. So anyway, that's our look. I think it was really pretty. I also really love how my hair looks with it, so this was really hard because I normally just sort of like brush everything back, and no, we got that side glam happening. Anyway, thank you so much for tuning in to YouTube video number 2. I appreciated the views for YouTube video 1. I'm really happy that some people watched it and liked it. Like, honestly, that was really cool. I didn't know if anyone was gonna like it or if like I was gonna get a bunch of haters or something, but like, yeah, like I woke up in a good mood because I just like got that really nice comment on my first video, and yeah, that was really great. So thank you for showing me the love. Continue to do so because it puts me in a really good mood, and I hope that I can sometimes put y'all in a good mood. So yeah, thank you.